everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal could also be used for Taco Tuesday. It's a dip, and my mom just kind of made it up. There's really no, directions anywhere for this. She used to have the recipe on allrecipes.com, but they discontinued that app, and a lot of the recipes that she used to have on the website are just not there anymore, and she tried to look it up using the ingredients, but there was no way to find it, so we really don't know who gets the credit for this one, but originally it was off of allrecipes.com, and it's, you can use frozen chicken breast in the slow cooker for a couple hours if you want to on high. But she did canned chicken on this one. So, I don't know. We're going to call it a Marinara salsa creamy dip. Something like that. And it's obviously allergy friendly, knowing my mom. So, anyway, just watch the video to get the recipe. And it's really simple and easy. And you can do it in the slow cooker or in the Instapot on the slow cooker function. That's what my mom did. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
Okay, I'm making a recipe that I thought I had and I can't find anywhere. I thought it was from allrecipes.com, but I can't find it there. I'm not sure what it's called. So I have no idea who to give credit to for this one, but I'm trying it. So we'll see if I'm remembering it correctly. But we're doing an hour on high on the slow cooker function on the Instapot. So you want that venting. I put in, it was supposed to be frozen chicken breast that you do with this, but I put in 2 cans of already cooked chicken breast in there after I drained them. You're supposed to use a cup of sour cream. I don't really like the way that tastes, so I'm going to do this plant-based Philadelphia chive and onion cream cheese. And so I guess it's kind of a dip-ish type thing. I used a low-carb Carbonne Marinara, the whole jar, and then a cup of Herdez Salsa Verde. A cup of that. So that's what's in there. Mixed it up. Gonna put it, let it cook for an hour or so on high in the slow cooker and see what it tastes like. It's all right. So this is our Monday meal. Could also be used for Taco Tuesday. It's a dip. And I just experimented and it tastes delicious. So give it a try. I don't even know what to call it. It's like a marinara salsa creamy dip. I don't know. But it's good, so give it a try. All right, everybody, happy Monday. Say bye, Yoda. He says bye.